With the federal election less than 7 months away, Labor has fired the first salvo of misleading claims about its policies and its opponents' policies. It's going to be a trying time for innocent voters. So let me offer 5 tips to help you survive the claims and counterclaims with your sanity intact. First, politicians rarely tell outright lies. It's more subtle than that. What they usually do is make claims that are literally true in some sense, but are carefully calculated to mislead. Second, don't be impressed by claims that are supposedly based on modelling, especially independent modelling. Modelling is a word intended to impress the uninitiated. And you can't buy independent modelling by definition. The people you pay will make sure they come up with the answer you were hoping for so they get your repeat business. Third, modelling is based on usually hidden assumptions. You get the answer you want by fiddling with the assumptions you make. So if you don't know what the assumptions are, don't believe the results. Fourth, the claim the parties make about their policies or their opponents' policies are often selective. I tell you about the good bits of my policies but omit the bad bits. Then I tell you about the bad bits of my opponents' policies and omit the good bits. Finally, politicians are often slow to outline the details of their policies. It's one of the oldest tricks for their opponents to fill in this vacuum by assuming the detail and naturally assuming the worst. So it's always a mistake to let one party tell you what the other party's policies are. But you probably know that. What the politicians don't seem to know is how much all their misleading behaviour has damaged their credibility, so that a growing band of voters don't believe anything any politician says. That's a sad state of affairs.